Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. So today we are at Young CPT the farmer. So what are we having here, brother?
We are doing composting here.
So what have we mixed on the compost?
We have chicken manure, we have tree leaves, we have grass cuttings, and we have kitchen waste like tomatoes and green peppers from our field. And we have newspapers and the box.
So the boxes that he's talking about, remember when I usually take my newspapers from the chicken house, from the ground where I put newspapers as I begin the circle. So those newspapers are being used as part of the compost that is preparing right now. So this compost will be used when it's going to plant in the next crop rotation. So right now I'm just gonna quickly go to his greenhouse and show you what's going on in the greenhouse. Yes, so now we are in his greenhouse. So this is the first raised bed that he has. He has planted 3 trees of green peppers and as well as some spinach. But I'm not here to talk about this green peppers and spinach. So this breed that you see of green pepper that is inside this house, this 3 trees is from the field that we have at Makwala Agri. So what I'm here to talk about is hybrid green pepper, the one that he has in his greenhouse. So this is a hybrid green pepper that I'm talking about. So these trees can grow up to a 3 meter tall, and they can give you up to 18 fruits per week, or in 2 weeks you can harvest like 18 fruits. So what I'm gonna share with you, one of the important things that we have noticed is that the importance of mulching. So when we're talking about mulching is when you put the plastic on the ground. This plastic actually prevent the evaporation to happen. You know, when it's too hot, the ground or the soil tend to get dry very fast. So we have used the plastic to mulch to prevent that to happen. So it means that his soil it's always moistured because of the plastic, so it doesn't get dry very quickly. And comparing the growth of trees that have been mulched with plastic and the one that they don't have plastic, it's a very there's a very huge difference between the two. So this side, what you see is the crop that have been planted without being applying mulching on them. And looking at these trees, they're very slow in growth. These trees were actually planted the same day. I forgot which day it was, but they were planted the same day. It's about 70 something days ago now. So but looking at the performance of between the 2 trees, because on this side we have mulch with the plastic and we're using drip irrigation. The drip irrigation is inside the plastic that we're using to water the plants, and this side we using packet system to actually water our plant, and we don't have anything that we have used to mulch these trees. Even the fruits performance, it's very slow this side. Looking at this tree, which has like 3 fruits and they're very still small, and when you compare it to these other trees this side, they have so many fruits. We have harvested actually today in the morning, and then look at this tree here, it has about like 3 fruits as well. But the size of this fruit, I just want to show you the size of this one. Look at the size. This green pepper is so big, man. So that's what I wanted to share with you, the importance of mulching. It's very important that every time when you do your green pepper, you should mulch using a plastic. So but we have done 2 different types of mulching in this house. This is his greenhouse. So I want to show you the other side where we have used, okay, even over here we didn't use plastic to mulch, but this is our irrigation pipe going. This is how it goes. So we didn't use any plastic to mulch, but you can see that the performance is better than the other one, but it's still slow to comparing to the one that we have mulched. So this side we used wood shaving to mulch our crop. So even the growth this side, it's still not that great comparing to the one where we use the plastic. So where you use the plastic, we're having a good result. So that's one of the things that I want to share with you today, the importance of actually mulching your crop using a plastic. So you'll find one tree where we have mulch giving you multiple fruits. So let's take a look at this one over here. It is big, it has grown very well, but looking at the size of the fruit, it has 4 fruits and they're really small. And then let's go and compare it to this one over here where we have mulched. It has given us 5 fruits and they're really big comparing to the one where we didn't actually mulch. So when you mulch your fruits using plastic, you're gonna have like a great result on your crop. So this is his greenhouse. He has, I forgot how many trees he has, and it's a hybrid green pepper. It's not like the one that we have at Makwala Agrifield. So in his greenhouse he's having a hybrid green pepper. It's always advisable to actually plant this hybrid in a greenhouse. So man, yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you today at Makwala Agri, and I just wanted to show you what's happening at the CPT, the farmer. Please follow him. I'm gonna drop the link in the bio. Check his channel and learn more about green peppers from him. This is his first production of green pepper. This is the first production in his greenhouse, and it's really doing well. So the other day we went to farmers market in Polokwane. We were at what they call that place, I forgot the name of the place, but I'll share it. So we bought this trees. This is strawberry trees. So we wanna explore into the strawberries and see what we're gonna have. So he bought these 2 trees. I think each was like 32 rand or something like that. I forgot the prices, but yeah, you can check them in Polokwane at farmyard. Yeah, it's a farmyard. That's why they sell a lot of things. They sell flowers, they sell a lot of trees, they sell a lot of things. You can go there and check it out if you're looking for plants, if you're looking for fertilizers, everything that you're looking for crops. Check them out. So man, I'm really excited about this guy, man. Like, he's doing wonderful stuff. Actually, he's the one who motivated me to actually plant the tomatoes in my field, and as well as the green peppers. So but seeing him doing this from his backyard, it's very good, man. And he on his limited space, but the work that's coming out of this place, it's amazing. So let me quickly touch on the market, how we access the market. But guys, I cannot get enough of this fruit. Yo, this fruit is big. Yo, it's very big, guys. So how we access the market is that we harvested today. We filled a crate, then we went out and we went to Abu Mama, who sell food at the taxi rank, who sell food at the complex, and we approached them and then told them that we were selling green peppers, and they were very happy with the product that we brought to them because it's a good quality and it's a hybrid one, and then they bought it all. So we have been selling a pack of 9 inside. We're selling for 30 rand. Yeah, we sold a couple of those. I think we sold about maybe 15. I forgot how many numbers we sold of those packs, but yeah, there were many. So we sold those packs today, and then it was his first harvest actually in his greenhouse. So today is gonna be testing his money from his green pepper. So from me, Makwala Agri, guys, I just wanna say thank you and appreciate the support. Remember, subscribe, share, comment, and like. I'm out of here.